Hey guys, so today I have this motherboard for repairing, and basically it's a Core i5 8th generation motherboard of a Lenovo V330 laptop. So the problem is here that its Super IO chip was this system was basically dead when it arrived, and when I disassembled it and tear it apart, I figured out that this Super IO Novaton chip was burned, and we can see the burn mark here on the U letter. So I removed this chip basically and cleaned all the pads here, and I was waiting for for the new chip that I ordered from the AliExpress. So it finally arrived here, and I opened the package. See, this is the chip. It is arrived. It is of the same number, but I have to make sure if it's Novaton or not. So I'm using one hand only because the other hand is for recording right now. So I am hoping that the chip arrived fine without any so great. It's the same chip, the Novaton chip, although when I ordered it from AliExpress there was no branding on it, only the number was written NPC E285 PA0DX. Only the number was written on it, but they sent the right one. It's the right Novaton one. Now I will be putting this new chip over here on this motherboard, and it is quite a difficult task to do it because this new chip has to align all the contact pads here, and it is, as I have seen video, this is the first time I am doing it. As I've seen all the videos on the internet, on the YouTube, I saw that it is a quite difficult task to align all the pins, although it is possible without the microscope also, but so since I don't have a microscope with me, so I will try to align it without any microscope and all that. Just have to keep it close. You just need to have precision in your hands. So I'll get back to you guys after I aligned it and install it. Then we will see if the motherboard works or if it needs any kind of programming on it. Then we will figure out. As we can see, the pads are aligned on this side, but over here it is not aligned that much. That part is also aligned. For some reason this part is not aligned because maybe we have to move it on the y-axis here. So I'll do it and then I will post it again. So I finally aligned all the pads. Now I'm using the heat gun to stick it on the board. एक मिनट बस आया. Let's see, let it cool down a bit. Okay, now all pads seems to be aligned. If they don't align properly, it must at least connect to the board. I'm hoping it is all aligned and connected. I'm not actually sure if it's connected or not because we have to check it. They're a bit off, but they're at least not touching each other. This one is perfectly aligned, as well as these ones. And I also have to check if it's see, this pin is not connected to the board because it's moving. This one is firm. This one is not connected. I can use the soldering iron too. This one also connected. This one is also not connected. Now I'll use soldering iron to connect all these contacts, and then I'll update you guys. Okay, so finally I properly mounted the SIO chip, although it doesn't look very tidy. But I have checked all the connections. They're not connected together, and they're not shorting, and all of the pins are in their places. And I checked it by using this small pin, and I nudge every pin till I got satisfied with their weldings, until I got confirmed that all the pins are properly soldered in its place. So yeah, this one looks a bit off. No, this is also welded, otherwise it will move from its place. So I checked all the pins, none of them are shorted and none of them are poorly soldered. So I believe that chip is in the place now, and now I have to program it to make it work. So for that I have to use the programmer and I have to solder the clock pins to the keyboard points. So after that we will be able to flash this chip.